Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! And Demonstrator, and I post on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Today is quick and easy day. Although this is easy, it may not be as quick as most of the quick and easies that I do, but it's so stinking cute. I love this little bundle. It's not really a bundle. Today is Thursday, so starting Friday, July 1st, our new catalog comes out along with Celebration. This little hippo, and I'll show you the stamp set, you can get free with $50 purchase. And then you can also get the dies that coordinate with this for another $50. If you spend another $50, you can get the dies that coordinate with this. And I'm telling you, you want the dies because that's how I made her cute little sunglasses and these little hearts that are on here. This is such a cute one. It is so cute. I love the little hippos. And this is the one that it is. It's called the Hippest Hippos. Look at the little like ballerina, and then this one. And they got the cutest sentiments. I use the love you a ton. And this says you're always on point, you're so hip, and you really are the best. And I use this on the inside of this, and I'll show you that here in a second. And then these are the dies, and it comes with a bunch of extra. I have the one for him or her, whatever. But look at the little umbrella. It has like a little scuba gear with the little glasses, the scuba glasses. It's got like a little boat, some little waves, some flowers, some little splashes. I'm not sure what this one is. Oh, a party hat, I think. Yeah, it's a party hat. So that'd be really cute on this one. There's so many things extra on this. So for every $50 you spend during Celebration, for those of you who are new, you get to choose a product out of the Celebration brochure. And we have, I think, a couple that are $100 purchase, but this one is $50 for the stamp set and $50 for the hippos. And I know a lot of my customers during Celebration usually order quite a bit because it's the holiday catalog, and it's a really good one, y'all. So be watching that for Friday. It starts Friday. All right, so this is the little treat holder. Actually, you can make this into a card as well because it has a couple little flaps. I just tied some ribbon, but you don't even have to use the ribbon if you don't want. You can put a adhesive dot here. You can put the Velcro on here. You can put a little sentiment with a card, like make it like a card there. But I just opened it like that, and it says, "Aw, you are really the best." But I just thought it was really cute because, you know, of the folds on it. And you can put a couple of these Reese's Pieces in there, some M&Ms, anything that would fit in here. It's pretty good size, even some like Kit Kat, anything like that, candy bar that's a little bit more flat. But yeah, this is what I'm sharing today. I really was going to make a card for here, but then I thought, let's keep it really quick and easy, like I like to do on Thursdays. So this is what I'm going to share. They are so cute. I could not wait to share it. And if you didn't see the gnomes, I made a gnome card yesterday, or not for Tuesday's tutorial. If you didn't see that, go check it out because we got some adorable gnome bundle coming too in the new holiday catalog. I think it's one of my favorite. All right, let's get started with this because we want to keep it quick and easy. All right, so what you're going to need is, I'm using Blushing Bride for this. It's 10 by 6.5. I'm going to mat it, and I'm going to mat 1 at 2 7/8 by 3 7/8. And the inside piece I matted is 1 7/8 by 2 7/8. And then you do need some basic white for your stamping, some Blushing Bride for the sunglasses and for the hearts, and then some basic black for the sunglasses. You don't even have to put the sunglasses on, but I thought it was so cute to use those. And so that is what we are going to do. First thing we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and stamp our little hippo. And we are going to use Memento Black because we are using some blends to color it. I'm not going to do a bunch of fancy coloring. I did get a bunch of requests to do the coloring for the gnomes, and I probably will go ahead and do that. I'm not sure exactly when it will come out, but yeah, I'm planning on going ahead and doing that since I had so many people want to see the coloring on that. All right, so what I'm using for this is light and dark petal pink, and I'm using light and dark gray granite, and then I'm using the old olive light for the little leaf on her flower. All right, so I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to speed through this because I'm just going to do plain coloring, just a tiny bit of shading like I normally do. And I'll go ahead and I'll zoom in for this one because I'm going to do it fast. So. Okay, y'all, that's the little hippo, and I would normally have used my brush. I'm going to zoom out here a minute. All right, I would have normally have used my brush side of this blends, but I have worn them down and I need to buy some more, so excuse me having to use the other side. It blends so much better if you use the brush side when you're blending in two different colors. All right, so we are going to cut this out with, and I'm going to grab my mint tape right here and use that so it stays in place. We'll go ahead and we'll cut out this circle as well, and I'm going to try to cut this down so I can get in the other pieces, so we have to run it, we can run it all through at the same time. So we're going to do that circle. This is from the Stylish Shapes that I'm using again because I love those. And also, you need to run through one of the sunglasses in the petal pink and one in the basic black. So I'm going to do it in the basic black first, and then we're going to do, I'll have to run it through again. But I'll speed this all up so you don't have to sit and watch me run these all through. Okay, y'all, I ran through the hearts. I actually ran the hearts through twice because one of them kind of got bent up. And then two of the sunglasses, which we're only using the inside of the second one with the basic black. And then our little hippo right here. All right, now we're ready to get our box going. First thing, let's go ahead and put his sunglasses on because I want to show you how I did that. So you're going to just use wet glue for this. And you just want to put the down here. And you are going to put it on first, like that. And then you are just going to add the inside. So add your little glue there, and you're just going to add these inside pieces, like the lenses of it, inside there. That's if you want the sunglasses on. I need my Take Your Pick tool, and again, I did not grab it. This is the perfect time for your Take Your Pick tool, y'all. And then this one as well. Let's Whew, okay, that was a struggle. We got his sunglasses on. Isn't that cute though? Oh my gosh, I love the sunglasses. All right, let's scoot this out of the way. And we are going to score this. So we are scoring this. And we are going to score it first on the 10-inch side at 3, 3.5, 6.5, and 7. And then you're going to turn it on the 8.5-inch side, and you are going, or did I have it at 8.5? Okay, this is supposed to be 6.5. I'm going to score it and then I'll cut it down. So on the 6.5 side, you are going to do it at 2 and 2.5. So we need to cut it on this top part because I cut it too big. All right, let's just cut that at 6.5. All right, so 6.5 by 10. I thought it looked a little bit big, but okay. Let's go ahead and cut this now. You're going to cut this piece here and this off. So you're going to cut both of these corners off. And you're going to go all the way to that second part. So you're going to have this right here. And then you're going to do the same on this side. Cut these two off. And then you're going to cut in here and in there. That's it. It's really easy box. So we are going to score, sharpen these all up. Now this is an important part, but because you want to use tear and tape, I'm going to use my Stampin' Seal Plus because it is a strong adhesive. It has to be strong for these to stay on. So make sure that you have strong adhesive on here. And then you're just going to tuck these little ones in. You're going to bring this up and then you'll bring these sides up. Like that. And you're going to do the same with this one. And then I'll use my bone folder to make sure I go in there and really press down on those. And then you close it like that and then over like that. I'm going to round the corners of this front one. And then I'm going to also round the corners on the Designer Series paper, only on two ends. We're going to adhere this. I just ran out of my Stampin' Seal Plus before I came on, and now it looks like I'm getting low on my regular one. And we are going to mat that. I'm going to go ahead while we're doing this and mat the inside piece. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stamp the sentiment that I'm going to use for this. So let's do it right on the edge here. I'm going to use Memento Black, and I'm using the "Aw, You Really Are the Best" on here. And then on the side, I think I'll just go ahead and stamp my other piece. I'll do it on this side. But then I don't know if I'm going to have room. I better do it on this side. This side's got a little bit, oh, there we go. All right. So I'm just going to cut these out by hand. I'm just cutting it really close to the letters here. And then we're going to do this one too. I didn't get that one too straight. Oops, my sunglasses. I don't want to lose those. They're so darn cute. And then I'll use my seal here. And put that on the inside. Close that up. I didn't get this one straight either, of course. And I am going to banner this one. All right, all our pieces are ready to go. We have our circle. I'm using, like I did on my gnome one, I used some of this balmy blue. And I just create like a little backdrop for the little hippo on this one. I did it for the gnome on the other one. Same idea. I just like that coloring behind it. It just makes it pop. We're going to use dimensionals, and we are going to pop him up. So I grab a couple dimensionals here. I think it's more of a girl. Looks like a girl, especially with the sunglasses. We'll put her on here. Use a little bit of wet glue, put our hearts on. I'm having a hard time with my fingers today, y'all. All right. That one there, and then we'll take the little small one, put it here. Again, if you have the take your pick tool, bring it up with you wherever you're crafting. I need to just put it in the drawer beside me, and I'll have it right next to me. All right. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this cotton ribbon, and this is just continuing, and actually Thursday, today is the last day, and as last that I looked, this was still available. So if you, I love this ribbon. But if you don't, like I said, if you don't want to do a ribbon, put a Velcro dot here and do that. So I'm going to put a couple more dimensionals on the back of this, and I'm putting one so the ribbon will go through the center of it. We're going to put it right like that. Put that right on the center. And then we can tie our bow here. Let's see if I can do this without making a big ordeal about tying the bow. But like I said, my hands haven't been working today. All right, we did good. All right, and then I'm going to use this, and at first I was going to put it up here, right on it, but then I decided at the last minute to put it down at the bottom here. And that's it, y'all. Isn't it really? Oh my gosh, these hippos just have me. Look how cute. And you can put whatever candy in there that you want. I just thought these hippos, and I wanted to share them before you can even get them. So starting tomorrow, get your orders in so you can get these adorable little hippos. I'm so in love with them. All right, everyone, I hope you all have a blessed day. Thank you for watching. If you need any supplies, shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. If you need a catalog, a new catalog, and you do not have a demonstrator, there's a catalog request form on my blog. All right, everyone, have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.